Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Chromium and Melody updated. Gather safety gear and set up a clean workspace before starting. I will guide you through sourcing safe precursors, measuring precise amounts, and using controlled heating steps. Follow stepwise mixing, controlled temperature changes, and proper quenching techniques. I will also explain how to test purity, store the final compound safely, and troubleshoot common issues for reliable, repeatable results. Collect all materials and verify reagent quality before beginning. I will list essential tools like a magnetic stirrer, hot plate, and accurate thermometers, and explain why calibration matters. Measure reagents using digital scales to the nearest milligram and use pipettes for liquid accuracy. Keep reactive chemicals segregated and labeled. I will also cover how to improvise safely with limited equipment and simple checks to ensure materials are suitable for the synthesis. Start by dissolving the chromium precursor in a compatible solvent, stirring until clear, then slowly adjust pH while watching for color shifts. Heat gently to the specified temperature and add the Melody precursor dropwise under constant agitation. Maintain reaction conditions for the required time, then quench cautiously and cool to ambient temperature. Finally, isolate and purify the product using filtration or recrystallization, and confirm identity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.